Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use screen share on Android. Here are the steps to screen share on Android using Google Meet as an example. First is to unlock your Android phone. Then go to the home screen. Install or open a video meeting app. Use Google Meet, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams for the Play Store. Sign into your account. Use your Google, Zoom, or Microsoft credentials. Join or start a meeting. Tap New Meeting, join with a code link, or New, then tap Create Link. Then hit Join. Wait until you're inside the meeting. Let the meeting fully load. Tap Share Screen or Present Screen. The wording may vary by the app. Confirm the action. Tap Start Now or Continue. Here, make sure it's set to entire screen. Then hit Start when asked for permission to capture your screen. Minimize the app or switch to another app. You can now navigate anywhere and it will be shared live. Talk while sharing if needed. Make sure your mic is turned on. Your mic will stay active for explaining what's on screen. Return to the meeting app when done. Tap the app from the recent apps or swipe down and tap the screen share notification. Stop screen sharing. Tap Stop Sharing or Stop Presenting and the meeting controls. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.